Hi everyone, today we are looking at a two scenario, some people call it two situation, all right, question. Now, if you're wondering how do I know this is a two situation or two scenario question, let me just highlight to you the keywords, okay? If you were to see two Eves, one, two, can you see that? This means that I have a two situation question. And if it is a two situation question, you must understand that the total does not change. It is a constant total question. Okay, so some people like to call this S1, S2. Okay, I would just put S1, S2 as well, and I'll remind myself that it is a constant total question. Okay, why do I say constant total? Because the total doesn't change. So in the first scenario, so what we're going to do, we are going to write down first scenario over here. Okay, what happens? 10 chocolate cupcakes were sold, right? And then they say 2/7 of the cupcakes left would be chocolate cupcakes. Agree? So for chocolate will be 2/7. For strawberry cupcakes will be 5/7. Isn't it? Right? Strawberry cupcakes is the hidden information one, right? Okay, so once I'm done with this, I draw a line and I go on to the second scenario. Okay, in the second scenario, it says that if, so we write down second scenario first. We say that 18 strawberry cupcakes were sold. So we minus 18. You all understand so far? All right, and the chocolate cupcakes over here remains as 1/3. You understand so far? Okay, because I never sell any chocolate cupcakes in the second scenario. Do you agree? Okay, once I'm done with this, then I can say confidently say that strawberry will be 2/3. Make sense? Okay, now the first thing you want to note is this. Okay, when there are two scenarios, right, this has to be units, this has to be parts. Can you see up? You all remember up? All right, so this has to be units, this has to be part. So this is simply just 2 units, this is simply 5 units. Make sense? All right, and for the other one will be 1 part and 2 parts. You understand so far? Okay, because they are different. Okay, but there's one thing that is the same. What do I mean by constant total? What is constant? The items are constant. What do I mean? The chocolate in the first scenario, or I would say the total number of chocolate cupcakes in the first scenario must be equal to the total chocolate cupcakes in the second scenario. Does that make sense? I say that again. The total number of chocolate cupcakes in the first scenario, which one is it? Which one am I referring to? Let me just highlight it for you right now. The total in chocolate cupcakes in the first scenario, don't forget the ones that you have sold away, correct? Is the same as the chocolate cupcakes in the second scenario. So what I want to do is this. I want to quickly write down. I'll use brown color for chocolate. Okay, we are talking about milk chocolate here. Okay, so we say that 2 units. So we say that this is for chocolate can plus 10 chocolate, or we don't even need to put 10 cc. We just put 10 is equals to 1 part. Okay, look at all of the green color parts that I've highlighted. Can you all see that? And it is the same thing for strawberry. Strawberry over here, I didn't sell anything, so strawberry is 5 units. Make sense? In the second scenario, I sold some strawberries and I am left with 2 parts. Agree so far? So what I can say for strawberry, so I will put strawberry cupcakes over here. I will say that 5 units is equals to 2 parts plus 18. So what we want to do is we want to rearrange a little bit. We want to rearrange strawberry. Okay, we want to rearrange strawberry. So we are going to put 5 units. We are going to bring the 18 over, the positive 18 over. So when I bring 18 over, it becomes minus. Make sense? It's equals to 2 parts. So the parts remains over there. You understand so far? Now, your job as a student is to always remove the mystery boxes. Too many mystery already. 2 units, 1 part. 2 part, 1 unit. Too many. So what we want to do is to make parts the same. Why do we make it the same? Because when I make parts the same, I can cancel them out. So for my chocolate, 4 units plus 20 is equals to 2 parts. Can you all see that? All right. And as for my strawberry, I still have 5 units minus 18 is equals to 2 parts. Can you see that? So because there are parts and parts, what can I do? I can cancel this out. I can cancel this out. Agree so far? So because both of them are equals to one another, right? So what I can say now is 4 units plus 20 is equals to 5 units minus 18. Then you do same family sit together. What do I mean? You want to bring the 5 units over because units always on the left hand side. You want to bring 20 over. So 4 units minus 5 units is equals to minus 18. When you bring the 20 over, you minus 20. Okay? Then when you bring 5 units over, you minus 5 units. So negative 1 unit is equals to, what is negative 18 minus 20? Negative 38. Understand? All right, negative 18 minus 20, you get to negative 38. All right, you see negative on both sides, you can cancel them away. Make sense? So my 1 unit is 38. The question says, how many chocolate cupcakes and how many strawberry cupcakes were there in the shop? Because I got my Mr. Green Man, so I can read the question, correct? So up to you. You want to use first scenario, second scenario, both works. Understand? But for the first scenario, you will find 7 units first, and then you will do 38 times 7. You get to 266. Agree? Then don't forget to add in the 10. So 266 plus 10, that gives me 276 cupcakes. Not chocolate cupcakes only, but total cupcakes. And this is my answer for this question. Well, but if you say, hey, Teacher Joseph, can I use the second scenario? Possible too, but I won't encourage you to, because our 1 unit or our Mr. Greenman is in units, not in parts. Okay, so that's how you do a question like this.